When it's a matter of sustainable mowing, the new double-blade Bidux is a perfect choice. The optimized blade geometry results in a considerably improved contact between the upper and lower knife blade, which provides for clean, quickly drying fodder. In addition to decreased wearing and reduced cutting gap formation, additional advantages are lower diesel consumption and less sward damage through the use of small tractors, and with it also more quickly regrowing grasslands and the protection of all grassland fauna. For the greatly improved Bidux mowing system, ASM Ennepertaler Schneid- und Mähtechnik was presented with the Agritechnica Innovation Awards 2019 in silver.